Merging panel datasets can be messy, especially when dates don't line up. Today, I'll show you how to merge two country-month datasets cleanly and reliably in Excel. We have two datasets, industrial production and inflation. Same country, same months, but the dates don't match exactly. Dataset A uses the 15th of each month. Dataset B uses the 1st. Excel sees these as different dates, so a direct merge fails. The XLOOKUP function will return n/A. To merge panel data, both datasets must use the same date. The easiest solution is to convert both to the first day of the month. To do this, I use the function EOMONTH. This formula takes any date and returns the first day of that month. Now both datasets share the same monthly structure. Panel merges work best with a unique key. I will combine country and date. This creates a clean ID like France 2025 to 01 and so on. I will do the same for the inflation dataset. Now we have identical merge keys across the datasets. Now we can merge dataset B into dataset A, using XLOOKUP, on the unique merge key. Don't forget to add $signs in front of the lookup and return arrays before you drag the formula down. Now we retrieved the inflation value for the same country and month. Now we have a clean panel dataset with both indicators aligned by country and month. Merging panel datasets becomes simple once you standardize dates and build a clean merge key. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.